When we want to talk about when to observe the hijab and when not to, the term mahram and non-mahram is always used. Mahram comes from the word haram, which means something sacred or prohibited. So basically, a person who is mahram to you is a person you are not allowed to marry. You can shake hands with them and you don't have to observe the hijab in front of them if you're a woman. A non-mahram is someone you can marry and have to observe the hijab in front of them. There are a few exceptions though. There are two types of mahrams. One, mahram by blood. Two, mahram by marriage. Mahram by blood. The following people are mahram to you by blood. 1. Your parents. 2. Your grandparents and great-grandparents from your mother's side and your father's side. 3. Your aunts and uncles. 4. Grand aunts and grand uncles from your mother's and father's side. 5. Your brothers and sisters. 6. Your nephews and your nieces. 7. Your grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and so on are mahram to you. Mahram by marriage. The following people become mahram to you through marriage. 1. The husband and the wife become mahram to each other after marriage. 2. Your son-in-law and daughter-in-law. 3. Your mother-in-law, father-in-law, and even your grandparents-in-law are mahram to you. Who are non-mahram to you? If you're female, the following people are not mahram to you. Your male cousins from your mom and dad's side. Your aunt's husband from both sides of the family. Your brother-in-law, meaning your sister's husband. Your brother-in-law through marriage, meaning your husband's brother. Well, if you are a male, the following people are not mahram to you. Your female cousins from both sides of the family. Your uncle's wife from both sides of the family. Your sister-in-law, meaning your brother's wife. Your sister-in-law through marriage, meaning your wife's sister. You're allowed to marry a non-mahram. There's one exception. Your wife's sister is considered a non-mahram, but you cannot marry her as long as you're married to your own wife. Some people also become your mahram through breastfeeding. Refer to your marja's website or his Risalatul Amaliya, meaning your book of practical Islamic laws, for more detail on this topic. So we said, some people become mahram to you through marriage. Some of these mahrams stay mahram to you even after a divorce. Who are these people? 1. Your father-in-law. 2. Your mother-in-law. 3. If your father or mother has a divorce and gets married again, his new wife and her new husband are mahram to you. And if they do get a divorce, their ex-spouses remain mahram to you. If you were divorced and got remarried, and you both have kids from other divorced spouses, the kids will become mahram to you, to actually both of you. The female and the male kids from the previous marriages who do not share parents will not be mahram to each other. So that means hijab must be observed between male and female kids when they reach the age of Islamic maturity. Hope this lesson answered the questions you had in mind.